Greetings guys and gals, my name is Thad and today we're going to play Mission 21, the Desert Winds, in which we're up against 3 pigs and a Richard, even though the Richard is going to take care of himself. You will see what I mean momentarily. Now, I can't make a lot of conversation in the beginning because we have to be quite fast in the beginning. We have to take care of like a million things at once, otherwise we will soon run into problems. Building 3 hovels. Well, not really problems, more like inconveniences really. And I don't like inconveniences. No, I do not. Okay. Let's buy 10 of these. Making 10 archers, sending them here. Then we're gonna build a tower over. Nope, we're not gonna build a tower apparently. Come on. You have to be so fast with that tower, otherwise, well, you'll see the problem. Kill them. Yes, come on. There we go. Yeah, you have to be quite... I even recommend the tower being one of the first things you build. Kill the maceman, there we go. Build the stairs, come on, what the fuck? Let me build my thing, there we go. I'm sorry, I'm a little agitated because I tried this like 5 times and it always worked off recording. But then as soon as I record it doesn't work for some reason. Because I'm too slow, because I'm yammering on again about things that don't matter. Okay, now we are going to build a or several Fletcher's workshops, but also don't forget to build a mill, of course, at least one. There we go. And then we're gonna build some Fletcher's workshops. 1, 2, 3, 4 Fletcher's workshops should be enough by now. Okay, then we're gonna build 2 bakeries, and then we're just gonna wait for some wood. As soon as we have 30 archers, we can put them up here, and then they're going to take care of business. Okay, there we go. If the Fletchers are too slow, you can always, you know, buy some bows, making some archers. There we go. And then they're going to make some bread. The rat already attacks, but doesn't matter. Okay, let's build 6 bakeries, should be enough for now. Let's build another hovel so we have people in case we need them. Making 5 more archers. Sending them up here. I don't particularly like this mission because, well, you're only up against the pigs because, well, the Richard he has this oasis down here, but he basically doesn't use it, so yeah. Oh yeah, that reminds me, we are also up against a rat, but forget the rat. He doesn't really matter. There we go. He only keeps you from building this tower, which means he's basically only there to annoy you. Okay. Even more archers. If I seem more agitated today than usual. God, I can't even speak anymore. What the fuck? Anyway, if I seem a little bit more angry than usual, that's because I'm very tired and I had a pretty rough day. But I still wanted to record something for you, so, you know. Okay, making some swords, buying some swords, then we're going to buy some armor. As soon as it is possible. You can take out the rat very soon in the mission, actually. You can easily rush him with either assassins or macemen. Both is technically possible, you know. But I prefer knights, because knights have some style. And we don't usually do knights, so yeah. But we do a lot of macemen. And we're going to do more macemen in that mission later on. Okay, then we're just going to attack him. And while we attack him, we can start building quarries. 1, 2, 3, 4, just spamming them. And they will be our main source of income now. Build a lot of ox tethers. Of course there are not. Let's build 1, 2, 3. Buy some wood. Okay, don't buy some wood. More hovels. Tear down that wall. Or the gate. Tear down the gate. Okay. There we go. The knights are basically they're a waste of money actually. Like don't do the knights. Just use whatever you seem fit. I would recommend assassins or macemen. Probably macemen considering how this mission is going. But knights work, so yeah. Okay, now we're gonna get some... Oh yeah, now you can produce crossbows because you can sell them for more money. And we won't need any more bows. Also, we can build more of the iron mines. But let's just destroy his ones first. Attack! There we go. Build. Iron mines, iron mines, iron mines. Make sure to really utilize all of the space you have here. Because the more space you utilize, the faster you will be done with this mission, and that is definitely something to look forward to. Okay, so now we can delete all of these. We don't need them anymore. We need the people more than we need the wood, and if we need wood, we can buy it. Okay, now we're making some maces.
Not enough gold, my lord.
1, 2. I would recommend around 6 of these, and then we won't need to worry about maces that much, at least.
Not enough goods.
Okay. Buying some wood. There we go. That's the 5th. You know what? Let's leave it at 5. 5 should work also. And then we are going to make Maceman. We're basically just beating the pig with his own. We're giving him a taste of his own medicine, is what I try to say.
Yes, boss.
Okay, a lot of Maceman. Not enough gold, that's okay. Just sell the wood we're getting. You can also, in between, you can sell some of the bread because your people are not going to use it as fast as you can produce it.
Yes, boss.
Making more Macemen. It's a Macy day. What you can also do is send some crossbowmen up here. I usually send 5 to 10, but I just didn't feel like it this time, so hopefully we won't need them, and I won't regret that decision. God damn it, this one thingy is taking up space. Space which I would need. I would be in dire need of that space. Sorry. Okay, there we go.
Yes, boss.
I would recommend around a 50 macemen. 50 macemen should do. And then we're going to make way more later on. But for now, 50 will do. It's just 50 to attack the first pig, and then some more to attack the others.
Not enough goods. Weapons
3.
needed, sire. Not enough gold.
How many are there? 34. That's not quite enough. Not quite enough yet. The problem with only having archers up there is that he sometimes sends his macemen, and the archers are not quick enough to kill the macemen, so yeah, I would recommend if you play the mission, don't be as fooly as I am. Not putting any crossbowmen whatsoever up there is not the best decision, but whatever.
Yes, weapons needed, sire.
Okay, 48 is enough. We're gonna to attack him from here. You already did build the gate. Sometimes they, it's the same with the Richard Lionheart. Sometimes he has a gate and you got to get through the gate, and sometimes they leave a hole in their castle.
A message from the pig.
What's wrong? What's happening to me?
Okay, while they get busy with the wall, we can easily just sell some stuff, put them on aggressive, and go, boys!
From the pig.
Let's go, boys! Kill them! Kill them all. Okay. Like I said, 50 is... You can make less, but considering you'll need more of them later anyway, so... Send them back. And by now we have amassed some money and some maces.
Yes, boss.
Recruits needed.
A message from
Let's
the
build
pig.
another hovel so we have more.
Bang the drum. The pig is coming to town.
What the heck are you talking about, mate? Okay, send some crossbows. Buy some leather armor.
Yes, boss.
Weapons needed, sire.
Now we're gonna need around. Let's make some more. Let's make 70. I think the yellow pig is actually the... I just wanted to say you're the weakest, but apparently not. Well, yeah, it's because the...
A message from the pig.
Damn, he even managed to get to build catapults this time. That's crazy. Seems like I'm a little slow again. But, you know, I'm used to that. As soon as I put on the recording, I'm basically turning into a slug. Not literally, but like from the time I... whatever. Okay, and as soon as it's done,
Once
69, nice.
onto the bridge.
Now we're just going to wreck him.
A message from the pig.
Go. I would gradually increase the amount of macemen for every pig that we kill.
A message from the pig.
Go. Oh, I didn't even use all of my macemen, damn it. Okay. More.
Yes, boss. Weapons needed, yes, sire.
Okay, that's 35 more. How many were these? That's 80. That should be enough. 87 should be enough. We can go for the corner again. This one has the most crossbowmen, so beware of that. Don't underestimate him. I did do it before, and you will definitely regret it. Maybe not as much as I regretted it, but you will regret it, probably. Okay, let's get rid of these walls. Mr. Maceman, tear down that wall. Also be careful, because sometimes, there you see it, he sends some macemen out to greet yours. So, keep that in mind. Okay. Send them up here. Come on, and he is down. Now we want to have around 80 again.
A message from the pig.
Shouldn't be that much more. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 31 should be enough.
Not enough good.
That should be enough.
Weapons needed, sire. Weapons needed.
Okay, 46 more. Send them up here. Send them to these. That is 41. That's 80. That's 87, right? Yeah, sometimes your troops can get through here. This is the opening, I think. So I think they are able to get through. Otherwise, you just go to through that gate.
Yes.
Usually, it's kind of weird because this hole is there every time, but this is not. His castle is not open here every time, but this opening is always there. Sorry for talking like it's some kind of brain-dead raccoon today. Okay, just rush him, and let's pray that our troops will be enough. I don't even know if destroying the gate would be faster than rushing through that opening, because the opening is so far. Whatever. Doesn't matter.
A message from the Lionheart.
I'm very glad that I'm done with this mission. It's not particularly difficult, but it's very annoying for some reason. Alright, anyway, that was it. Mission 20. Come on, give him hell, boys. Kill him, what the f... God fucking damn it, this mission. Anyway, that was mission 21. I hope you enjoyed it more than I did. I hope I see you in the next video. Until then, have a nice day, have a nice night, and of course, as always, have a nice time.
Victory.